Welcome to the interview world. My name is Bin and this is our company manager Shunjie and our company director Xinpei. I'm the manager of the human resource department of this company. Today, we are going to interview you for the role of project manager. So if you are sitting comfortably and ready, can you start by telling me about yourself?
Good afternoon to all interviewers, and thank you very much for inviting me to the interview for this project manager position. Today with your organization, my name is Tataza. I graduated from James Cook University with a bachelor degree in geographic information, and I worked for Arcadis for 3 years after graduation. As a geologist, I use computer software to edit and modify construction and progress drawing based on actual conditions. After that, I was promoted to project manager, mainly responsible for the design of mineral explorations program and put forward relevant suggestions to improve the recovery rate and utilization rate of minerals. I am responsible for the management of personnel within the project team and the business training of technical staff. Over the years, I have built up extensive skills, qualities, attributes, and experience that I believe is matched for this job description. I'm very passionate about this project management, and I take my responsibilities seriously as an exceptional communicator, both in writing and speaking with project team members, stakeholders, and contractors, and building relationship with people, because I believe to be effective as a project manager, and you need to build a strong relationship. I'm also very good at working under pressure, and I particularly thrive when I have very tight project deadlines to work towards. My biggest strength is that I have management skills and can lead a team to complete tasks efficiently and have a good team atmosphere. I also have in-depth knowledge and understanding of the project lifecycle. In addition, I pay great attention to details in my work and will repeatedly make sure that each step has been perfectly without mistake. However, I'm occasionally a little impatient in my work, and this is something I still need to work on. Thank you.
Thanks for your introduce yourself. Can you tell me why do you want to work in our company?
The high-tech environment of this company itself appeals to me, and this company has been developing very stable and competitive in the market. I want to be able to enter a company that can grow with me and it has a different development path.
Great, I'm very happy to hear that. And so what are your salary requirements as well?
I actually want to know what range of salary level this position can give, and what is the social security and welfare system, and whether there are opportunities for an advancement or in salary increases. I saw that your company offers about 3,200 to 3,500 Singapore dollar per month, and my expectation is also in this range. But I believe I can make certain achievements and your company will give me more reasonable salary.
Thanks for your answers. In your life and your work, can you tell me about your strengths and weaknesses?
I would say my strengths, which I believe will be a benefit to your organization, includes the fact that as a project manager, I'm commercially aware and I understand that my performance and the performance of the team that I'm managing are integral to the success of your business. And I will work with you to make sure that all projects are completed on time to the necessary specifications and standards. Another strength I have is that I'm a good communicator and good at dealing with people and motivating people. Also, I'll always be open to learning and improving. So once the project is finished, I will analyze it to see whether it went wrong or where I need to improve. In respect of my weakness, I would say that I find it hard to ask other people for help, since I'm the type of project manager who likes to be in control and I believe in my own abilities. When a problem occurs, I tend to spend more time thinking than asking for help.
My another curiosity is that about your career plans. So can you talk about your career plan?
I have given a serious thought to this issue since I plan to be able to promote gradually and get more opportunities to become an excellent manager while doing my job consistently. Therefore, I will summarize all my problems that I encounter and learn new knowledge at work, hoping to have an excellent in this industry.
How did you think the work overtime? If the company needs to work overtime, can you accept it?
Well, during the busy period of the company's business, overtime also proved that the company's development is rapid, and it's okay to work overtime occasionally, but I'll try to improve my work effectively and efficiently as much as possible and complete my work during working hours to avoid compressing my personal rest and spending time with my family.
And also, how would you handle underperformance in a team?
Whenever dealing with underperformance as a project manager, I will take decisive actions quickly because I believe that a project can quickly fall down if one member or of a team is not carrying out their duties to a necessary standard. And it also looks bad from others' member perspective as well. So they would look at it and then think that this person is not helping and it can quickly escalate. So I would make sure that we jump on it quickly and would speak to an individual to establish exactly what they aren't performing to the required standard, and I would ask them questions and would listen to them while they're speaking and would never jump to the conclusion because they may be experiencing problems at home or they're in the personal life, which would be impacting on their ability of work. So I'd find out the problem and put out a plan of action in place to make sure that they got back up to speak quickly within the performance.
Yeah, I think thanks for your time. Do you have any questions to want to ask us?
Well, I actually have one question regarding to this position. What advice would you give to someone who wants to perform well in this role?
Yeah, thanks for your question. I advise them to focus on their work and to improve their leadership skills to be able to make the team more cohesive. A good manager must be excellent in both work and leadership skills.
Thank you for your time as well.
Yeah, thanks for your time, and thank you for coming to our interview today. And I think we will tell you in 3 working days.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.